Commissioner John Mark Henderson. He began his career as a police in 1977. He's the commissioner and the chief police of department in St. Paul as a Metro Police. As a St. Paul chief, he was also the commissioner who also served as a Minnesota state senator in '67. The commissioner was born and raised in Chicago before he made his home in Minnesota. The commissioner was being a part of the faculty in Metro State and St. Mary University. The commissioner served as several community boards, including African American Leadership Council and the Minnesota Red Cross. The commissioner was held and launched chairs as the board of the Ujama, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, place as a nonprofit agency that works with the African American men and women who transition from outside prison to the community. The commissioner is the founder as an Asian American Black Police Officer Association. Commissioner also a part of Somali Police Association. The commissioner served 7 years leadership Metro Transit Police as a commissioner before he stepped down as a police chief to take new role within the state as a public safety commissioner this year. The commissioner tenure as a Metro Transit Police Department became one of the largest and the most diverse in the state. The commissioner is also the first law enforcement chief who also hired a visit in Somalia. The commissioner went in Somalia twice. Oh, okay. Wow, that's impressive. I've never went there since I came here. Twice. The commissioner also teamed up with the different agencies to help the equipment back on Somalia for the police force in Somalia. The commissioner prompted the first Somali sergeant in the country, Sergeant Wahid. I think that's Abdul Wahid. Abdul Wahab, who's retired right now, was a police officer, first police officer in Minnesota. The commissioner also hired the first Somali female. That's a big one. Give a hand. Whoa. As a police officer. The commissioner left the transit and hired 7 Somali police officers. Wow. The commissioner has been part of the Somali community. And at this time, I think we should call him our commissioner, so part of the Somali community, right?
Very briefly, because I know it's getting late, I want to say thank you to all of my Somali brothers and sisters, but in particular, I want to say thank you to the lovely table that I'm getting to sit with. They're really a marker of how different Metro Transit is today. When I got to Metro Transit, I was the 3rd black person at Metro Transit, and now we have 30 black officers there. And that really is the table that really speaks to that, from the first black female sergeant, Brooke Blakey. The president of SAPA, the Somali American Police Association, Hussein. The first Somali female police officer and detective, Kadra. And Liban and his brother, who were also instrumental in bringing more and more Somali officers into the fold. We believe that at Transit, the department that's reflective of the community and responsive to the community is, in fact, the best police department it can be. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.